Good morning, students. I hope you have learned the counting, backward counting, and you have also learned to compare the two numbers. For example, 16 and 17. Which number is greater? Exactly. This is what we have done in our last class. Today we will start with the new topic, and for this we have to take the pointed pencil like this. We will not take pencil like this because we have to do the work in a neat and clean handwriting. So let's start with the new topic. Let's start with writing the date, May, whichever the month is, and the year. And in this corner we will write down class work. Then we will write down today's heading. This is write in expanded form. What is the meaning of expanded? Meaning of expanded is long. Means किसी चीज़ को या any number writing in that in long form. For example, 3 and 2. So, see, you know HTO concept? Ones, tens and hundreds. What is this? Ones. Okay, what is this? Ones. What is this? Tens. And what is this? 100. Is it okay, class? Very good. So here we will write down what we will write down. See, in these three corners, three blocks, let's write leaving one line H T O. What does this demonstrate? Ones, tens and hundreds. Leaving one line again, starting from the first question. You can draw a line here, okay? Drawing the margin here, writing a first question, 6, 4. 4, where is 4? Ones place. Tens, at tens place we have 6. So how we will write? 6 tens plus 4 ones. Writing our next question, leaving one line, putting number 2, 1, 3, 2. How we will write? 100. What we will write? As 1, with 1 we will write 100 and not hundreds. Plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Writing third number 105. Again 100, 0 tens and 5 ones. Writing the next question 100, 1 10, 3 ones. How to write this number? 110 plus 3 ones. I hope the concept is clear. Between tens and 10, if it was 6, then I took tens. It was 1, so I took 10. It was 0, then also I took tens. Similarly, if we are taking 200, then 2, what I will take? Hundreds. What I will take? Hundreds. Here what I was taking? 100. Hundreds plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. This, I hope this is clear. Tens, 100, hundreds, 10, ones and putting plus. Okay. Then this you will be doing yourself. Here you can write down homework. HW. Then coming quickly to the next topic, write in short form. Writing the date and CW here itself. then question will come as 100 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. The work again you can write here HTO and drawing the margin 100. At 100 place you will be writing 1. At 9th place you will be writing 10th place 9, and again at 1st place you will be writing 9. Is it clear? We can also write down it as 100. So 100 plus 9 tenths plus 9. That means 199. Okay. See here 100. So 1 I will write H1. Then tens there is no word, no number. 5 ones. So what I will write in between? 0. So this will become 105. 100, 0 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. So now you have understood in both ways. These are both the ways in which you can do the questions. 110 was missing to 05. Here no 100 number. So 7 at 10th place and 1 at 1st place. How? Nothing will be written here. So in these both ways you have to practice the questions. That's all for today. Bye. Have a good practice.